So, want to turn your edits quality from this to this? So the software I'm about to show you is AnyEnhancer by iMobi. To download the software, check the description or pinned comment where you'll find the download link and a coupon for an additional discount. And once you open the link, you'll see all the details about AnyEnhancer. It's very easy to download. Just click on the free download option and the download will start. Once it's downloaded, install the software. After installing it, open After Effects and add your color correction for better quality. I'll just add a simple color correction. After adding the color correction, open AnyEnhancer and upload your video into the software. There are 4 features in the software. The first one is Resolution Enhancement, where you can enhance your video to 2K or 4K. Let's click on 4K and preview the results. It will take some time to process, so let's wait for it to finish. Once the process is finished, you'll see the difference between the before and after. If you're happy with the quality and want to export the video, just click on the Export option. Adjust the export settings as needed, and start the export. Now, here's the difference between the original, after color correction, and after enhancing the quality. Now, let's look at the other features. The second feature is Denoise. Denoising reduces visual noise, especially in low-light scenes, making the video look cleaner and more professional. It's mostly used for night videos or images. The third feature is Colorize. As you can see, the Colorize feature restores color to black and white videos, so it's perfect for old footage. The fourth feature is Frame Interpolation. This feature increases the frame rate of a video by generating intermediate frames between existing ones, creating smoother motion, and making videos appear more fluid, especially when converting low frame rate footage to a higher frame rate. For us AMV editors, this feature is great for making smoother Twixtor. So let's see how it works. First, add your video or clip. Then click on Frame Interpolation, and you'll see 2 options, 2x and 4x. We'll choose 2x, then either preview the results or export the video. After exporting, you'll notice the difference. But to make it even smoother, open After Effects and follow my steps for Twixtor. Once you're done with Twixtor, you can compare which one is smoother, the original or the one enhanced with AnyEnhancer. That's it for this video. If you like the software, check the description or pinned comment where you'll find the download link and a coupon for an additional discount. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos and tutorials. Bye, and see you in the next video.